everyone, quick note before we get started.
We lost our memory card holder somewhere in Japan.
But we're still going to bring you our adventures with this pivot.
Our Japan trip continues.
Crack of dawn o'clock. And guess what? Today is the day we've been dreaming about.
Disneyland! Disneyland! Disneyland!
The shuttle's here. Let's go.
Awesome! I can't wait.
And we're on our way to a magical day at Tokyo Disneyland.
We secured our tickets on the Klook app. It was so easy and really convenient. We just use our QR code at the turnstile.
It's going to be magical. Tickets linked in the app? Check. Extra battery for all the photos? Check. I can't wait for Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast.
That castle immersion is going to be magical.
It was super easy to catch the included bus from our hotel.
It's early, 7:30 arrival, but the line starts about 30 minutes beforehand. Oh, look, there is the special Duffy 20th anniversary monorail.
I sure hope we get to ride on that one later.
Me too. It looks amazing.
I love Duffy.
I love Duffy too.
We took our place in the crowd and we were so happy it wasn't raining. Look at this cute family right in front of us. They asked where we were from and we told them Texas, San Antonio. We told them about our adventures in Tokyo, eating ramen, finding a great karaoke bar in Shinjuku, and eating that 10-yen pancake. They were so nice and kind, a perfect example of Japanese hospitality. We're here. Ready?
Born ready. Let's scan.
Scanning now.
Yes! Entry successful!
High five. Let's go.
To the castle!
This is the
No,
best.
right? Look at that castle!
And the cherry blossoms are floating.
This is the best day ever! Ready for some selfies, Robin?
You bet. Let's do it.
Peace signs.
And flexing.
This is the best!
Totally. One more. Look, Steve, a marching band.
Wow! They're here to welcome us. Amazing!
This is incredible.
Yeah, let's watch.
Welcome to Tokyo Disneyland.
Okay, let's get that fast pass.
On it. Tapping now. Yes, I got it.
Let's go!
Hi, we have fast passes.
Of course, right this way. Thanks.
This is going to be magical.
の潮が僕を見てそしてそっと触れてくれた怯えても言った通りだろう
It fell away.
It was amazing.
Oh my god. Got me. The backside of water. O2H. O2H.
Oh, I really would like these, but
But what? Get them. Treat yourself like the princess you are.
you make me feel that way every day. We found the wishing well by the castle. It's playing I'm Wishing in Japanese.
Time to make a wish.
Look, it's Captain Hook and Smee.
Ahoy there, mates!
Hello, hello.
Oh, ahoy there, cowboy. Ladies, yes!
Smile. After meeting Captain Hook, the Croc, and Smee, we decided we were hungry.
So we walked over to Big Pop, the prime place to see all the popcorn buckets in the park.
Oh yeah, we found the mother lode.
This is the holy grail of popcorn buckets.
And so much popcorn to choose from. Caramel, cheese, strawberry, soy, beef?
Beef popcorn? Wow!
Right? This is incredible. Caramel, arigatou gozaimasu. Cheese, and arigatou gozaimasu. Dozo omatase shimashita. Wow, it's amazing.
This is the best.
Haunted Mansion time!
Haunted Mansion time! There's always room for one more.
Look at those chandeliers!
They're floating. Whoa.
The room is stretching!
And the paintings!
Whoa, those paintings are watching us!
And the bus too. Keep moving.
So awesome and creepy.
Yes, it is. Take my hand.
Let's go!
Whoa, this is spooky. It's so cool. Here we go.
Whoa, look at that clock!
It's like time's gone crazy.
Steve, the doors are breathing.
Why are the doors breathing? And what is that? Wow, look at all these headstones humming along.
Cart's all full. Sorry. It was so scary. Hurry back! Hurry back! This one is not for me.
Too much for you?
Yep.
Off with your head!
We're entering It's a Small World.
Over 300 dolls from around the world are waiting for us, and don't forget about Groot!
Amazing. That was so magical. Did you know it has over 300 dolls from around the world singing the same song?
And the song was written by the Sherman Brothers for the 1964 World's Fair.
Now let's go and see Fairy Tale Hall. I have to see if I can find my slipper.
I shall accompany you, Princess Robin, to see if the slipper fits. That's it!
Where are you going?
We are chasing that white rabbit. Did you see him?
Wait, no, seriously, I've chased him and well, you know how that turned out, right? Where's the best place to eat around here?
Try Captain Hook's galley.
Do they have tea? Whoa, look! Captain Hook and the crocodile.
Ah, you thought alligator bites would be our only offering.
Wow, pizza!
Fresh from the galley.
It's just nuts to meet you. See you.
Hug day! Hugs for everyone!
Best hug ever.
They sprinkled curry seasoning from the popcorn on, right?
Right on that.
We're now in Critter Country and we're heading straight for Splash Mountain.
Don't forget, you may and most likely will get wet.
We're finally in line for Splash Mountain and we are so ready.
It's gonna be a wild ride.
Here we go!
Friends, welcome to the Laugh Place.
Wow, Steve, it's Brer Rabbit.
This is incredible, Robin.
That's the laughing place.
Wow, Robin, this is incredible.
Yeah, look up there.
Everybody back, and let go.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, here we go.
That was so much fun.
Totally totally worth getting a little wet. I think this occasion calls for ice cream.
Churros dice.
Onegaishimasu.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
The ice cream is so smooth and wonderful, and the churro taste is like inflamed to perfection. Look, Star Tours.
Let's go. That is totally short enough for us to jump on and relive the old California memories.
Yeah.
Welcome to Star Tours. I see you're back for more adventure.
Wow, Star Tours. This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, and look, R2, Chewie, and Vader are here.
Rah!
High five, Steve.
You got it. Keep your hands and arms inside the attraction at all times.
Oh, it's okay. It happens to everyone occasionally. We're hungry again.
Let's go get that curry chicken.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Oh, this is just delicious.
Oh yes, so crispy. And this curry, so much flavor and all over rice. Steve, time to shop. World Bazaar is just ahead.
I know, the merchandise is so impressive.
And the rare characters are everywhere. It's amazing. Wow, so many good selections.
So much variety, great prices.
Wow, look at all this great merchandise. It's so impressive, the selection and all these rare characters, but we don't have much room in our bags.
We'll have to shop carefully.
I gotta get a photo with those balloons.
Ha! You got it. Here you go, a special bouquet for 2 happy guests.
Wow, Steve, look, Mickey balloons.
They're amazing. Let's hold them together.
Perfect. Smile for the vlog.
Best day ever.
Man, what a wonderful day we had here at Tokyo Disneyland. Man, I'm beat.
Yes, I am too. And we have our first Shinkansen trip tomorrow. At least our train isn't until after checkout time, so we will be able to sleep in.
Tomorrow we travel to Kyoto.
Yes, we are only on our 5th day in Japan. So many exciting things coming. We have our photo shoot, shrines, and oh, so much more.
Thank you so much for being a part of our community. We appreciate your likes and comments.
And hit that subscription bell, it's free.
Be sure to join us next time for more adventure. Come along and escape!
Yes. It's the Duffy train.